Hello friends, good morning. Today me and my husband we are going to the beach, and that will be my first time at the beach. Yeah, I'm so glad. So guys, right now we are currently at the beach. I'm super excited. So let's go on this beautiful tour with me to the beach for the first time. I love the breeze. So peaceful. Next time I'm going to be coming, I'm going to be wearing something that will make me swim. I see these birds, so beautiful. Oh, let me capture you before you fly. Don't fly, don't fly. Scared of getting closer. Yeah, it's really active, I feel. Guys, look at that boat. This ship. It's really active. I should just jump inside, but it's impossible. What's the name of that place? I don't know. But I like it. So we came up to ease ourselves. So at this point, presently, we are done at the beach. So we are there. This place is like an historical place, and that is why we are now touring around the beach. It's gonna be fun, guys. Let's go. So nice. See that walkway? Oh my god, that's so magnificent. We are going down to where we are coming from, and we are going to that beach we saw up there. So guys, this is the top we are seeing from there. From the top we are up there before, So now we are going to where we are looking at over there. A quick one, guys. My husband is explaining to me the reason why I'm seeing pictures on those rocks. So he's telling me that these people were the people that know more, so they love coming to this particular place during the time they are alive. So that is the reason why their family will just put their pictures and their, rest in peace there, so that for remembrance, so that people will see that they love coming there, and also their family can also visit that place too, to remember them. I don't know what this is, but that's where we have before, and we are here.
Very good. I went looking for wife, but they said too ugly, so I'm.
Where are you from? What country?
I'm from South America, from Chile.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Santiago, one city south of Santiago.
Yeah.
Sometimes you see dolphins here,
Yeah.
Oh, really?
and in winter, at the distance, you see whales.
Oh.
And
You
also-
want to go for a swim?
and-
There is a free swimming pool.
Yeah.
Even if you don't swim, people just go and walk inside.
Yeah.
Nobody gonna look at you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. You have a lovely day. So my husband say they use this thing to carry coal. I think coal is one of the things that Australia they produce coals. Yeah. So these ships are for carrying coals. Guys, we are at this historic site. It's near the beach, and yeah, we are going in around now. We don't know, maybe they will allow people to enter. So where some guys see those days. Hello. So these are reception. Wow. Hello, baby girls. Oh, sister, hello. Hello, brother. How you doing? Is this prison? Okay. No.
This fort was built in 1882
Oh.
to protect Newcastle against the Russians.
Oh.
Yeah, way back then, because we're a British colony, Crimean War in Europe back then, and so Colonel Scratchley, Royal Army engineer, designed the fort, and it was manned by Australians right up to 1972. The army left here and left us behind. House, 1882. There used to be two cells, one on that side of the fireplace and one here.
Oh.
But the army
okay.
changed it.
Oh, okay. They're renovating.
Yeah. These are the two rooms you can't go into.
Okay.
Now there's the barracks. You can go through there. There's a lot of photographs in there of the fort and
Yeah.
the history of it. If you walk up around the corner here, there's another museum just around the corner.
Okay.
Up around the top, there's 5 more museums on the surface, show the city. And those two guns returned fire and drove it away.
Like these on old barracks that police military stays, and yeah, there are rooms like for the police, and also there are prisons inside this place. So this is how this place looked like before. Nice. So they feel a lot of places like
It's a church.
So this place actually that we are touring right now is very, very free. They did not collect anything from us. Like very free. for the mess. Brave women. So their uniform. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. Wow. Courageous women. So that's the entrance. That's where that woman, that man used to put work the other time. Yeah, that's where we are coming from that time.
Àwọn kí n tó ń lò báyìí tó máa yìnbọn fún àwọn ìpàdé yín wọn láti.
Guys, they shoot this thing like every 12 o'clock on Saturday, 1 o'clock. Except Tuesday, every day except Tuesday, they shoot this thing at 1 o'clock. So it's like a bullet. This is the
These people first time.
this is the commercial.